What up, tube? Today is Tuesday, June 5th, I believe. Back on the grind, guys. Back at home and back on the grind. Today normally is my day off, but since I was off for 4 days, I called myself in and I will be working today. Got a lot of calls from different customers that wanted to come by, so you know, always make yourself readily available, gentlemen. That's my name of the game. And barbering. So we're back from Laughlin. Got back yesterday. You know, I noticed there was a lot of customers calling for me, so I decided to call myself into work. Cleaned up did all my cleanups yesterday. Put away all my equipment. You know, when we go on a trip like that, it's a lot of work, guys. It's not real easy, you know, and it's a lot of getting up and being alert, and you know, being alert for your family. You know, I gotta drive all the way up there, gotta drive home, you know, I gotta drive to spots, I gotta set up the spots. We get our family to the lake about 10 o'clock, but me and my brother, we were out there. Me and my brother and my son-in-law, we were out there. Shoot, both days we were out there at 7:30 in the morning, you know, 7 a.m. trying to get a good spot for our fams, you know. But you know, it's just. It's a lot of work, but it's so much fun, and you know, it's just things that get to enjoy get to do with your family, and you know, we work hard, guys, and that's what it's all about. And if you work hard too, you can do things like this with your family. You know, there's no reason why you can't go out and enjoy yourselves and have a good time. But you got to work hard, you got to save, you know, you got to be smart, and just get a good work ethic, all the way around. So I'm right here I'm about to pull up at the shop. I already got a couple customers waiting for me, so I expect it to be a very busy day. We were closed yesterday, so the people that came yesterday probably be coming today. So I'm assuming it's going to be extremely busy. So I'll keep you guys posted. We'll post up some haircuts, and we'll get into this day. All right?
I never saw that, but I did see this: the man with 3 legs.
Man, oh man! I don't know what it is while coming back to work. I love it. I was only away like 4 days. Well, I took off on Saturday, Sunday, Monday. Today's, you know, it would have been, I was off for 3 days. But I don't know, it feels good to be back. It's, you know, actually a great idea of me coming into work today because it's extremely busy. I wasn't even aware that the local high schools are graduating tomorrow. So, man, we're getting a lot of graduation cuts today. So, it's a good thing that I came in. We're very busy. So, for you guys out there graduating, congratulations, guys. Guys, this week starts up on Thursday again. So Thursday we're gonna start a new segment. We're gonna start talking question and answers. I want some Q&As, guys. Q&A. So I need some people to participate here. So let me know what you guys think. Let me know what you guys want me to talk about. Let me know any special subjects you want me to go over, and I'll get into that, guys. All right. Right now I'm headed to the bank. Like I said, it's Tuesday. Extremely busy, guys. Good day. It's good to be back to work, man. I'm glad. So that's it for today, guys. Man, it's already 7:30 p.m. Crazy day today, guys. There's only 3 of us working. It's a Tuesday. It wasn't expected to be this busy because, well, I didn't know, but graduations are happening tomorrow here in our local city. So, of course, there was an abundance amount of students coming in today. With 3 of us working, man, it was like a Friday or Saturday today. It was a crazy day. I'm glad I came to work today. It was a good call on my part to coming in and filling in and helping out the guys. I really didn't know it was going to be this busy. I just came in because when I was on my vacay, a lot of customers were calling me and wanting to come in when I got back. So I decided to come in, but it wasn't intentional. It wasn't like I planned it this way. But you know, hey, sometimes when you're the boss, that's what it comes down to, guys. You got to make decisions and hope that everything works out right. And you know, today was one of those days. It was a good call on my part. Tomorrow's Wednesday. I think I'm gonna take the day off because then I start my whole week again. The only way I will come in tomorrow is if it's extremely busy again. So I'm gonna be watching the cameras, make sure it's not too busy. If it is extremely busy, I'll probably end up showing up around 11 o'clock tomorrow. But that's it for today. Thank you for watching another daily edition of Big Al's Barber Blogs. I'll be back tomorrow. Not tomorrow. I don't know about tomorrow, but I will be back on Thursday with some new subjects and new ideas, and we'll get on this, guys. Hey, guys, I reached 200 subscribers. Thank you all the guys that subscribed, and for all you guys that are watching my stuff and not subscribed, come on, man, hit that like button. Leave me some comments. Remember, guys, Friday's going to be my question and answer day. So I need some questions, guys. I need some questions from some of my viewers. Give me some ideas. Give me some questions for me to answer for you, and I can work on that for a video, guys. With that being said, guys, I'm going to post up several videos today of different haircuts that I did today. And I'll see you guys mañana. Late.